blocking it.
Driving could be dangerous, as a part of the North Carolina mountains is forecast to see 16 to 12 inches of heavy snow and 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts. National Weather Service meteorologists warning countries in the Great Smoky Mountains near Tennessee should see the biggest swarm, according to NWS Winter Storm Warning Bulletin. Live webcam feed from Boone, North Carolina on Friday afternoon shows snow continue to fall. Winter weather advisories predict total snow accumulation up to 4 inches, with the local high amounts about 3,500 feet and a wind gust up to 45 miles/hour. Travel only in cases of emergency. The NWS warning: if you have to travel, keep the flashlight, food, water and warm blanket in your car for emergencies. Snow can also bring down trees and power lines and cause outage, according to NWS Bulletin. The temperature at wind dropped by the 20 degrees overnight, resulting in black ice. Wind expected to pick up later, as the Monday 20 North California Department of Transportation truck pulled out Mourning in Watonga County to make sure everyone reached safety, including a group and friends from Tampa, Florida.